Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking Series. It's Oluwatunseyi here. Get ready because we're diving into the world of homemade all-purpose seasoning paste. It's going to be a flavor-packed extravaganza that will make your cooking fantastic. Kindly watch to the end because there's a bonus clip for you. Let's get into it. 2 cups of chopped spring onions, basil leaves, 10 leaves, parsley, 1 cup, 2 stalks of celery. I'll call these 2 stalks. 5 carrots, 2 white onion bulbs, 2 red onions, 4 shallots, half cup of chopped ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/8 cup of anise, 1/8 cup of coriander seeds, 1/8 cup of cumin, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of pitted dates, 1/4 cup of groundnuts or peanuts. Kindly check the description for how to roast your groundnuts effortlessly with an air fryer. You will like the hack, trust me. Half cup of chopped coconuts, bell peppers of different colors. When chopped, we should be able to get 4 cups of the mixed peppers. Half a lemon. I'm going to divide this into 2. 6 chicken feet already grilled. And then that means I have 3 chicken heads already grilled. Half chicken chest or chicken breast already grilled. I cut 1 half off, so I'm going to use this half. To an empty pot, I already added some of the ingredients. Now let's add the bell peppers. These are chopped bell peppers. Look at this. I got 3.5. So don't worry. I initially said 4 cups, but after chopping, I was able to get 3.5 cups. Don't worry. It's your thing and your way. And of course, homemade. Green marinade. You can skip it, but I feel like adding it. And as you can see, they are frozen. I just brought them out of the freezer. I have a video on how to make this, so you can check the description for the link to that video. If you don't have this green marinade, you can increase the garlic. Can you see them? Let me bring the pot closer for a better view. And the garlic. And then the ginger. Add 2 cups of water. Look at what we have here. This is very colorful. I think we can see the rainbow colors here. Now let's divide the lemon into 2 and squeeze a half. I should be able to get a 1/4 cup of juice from half of this. Yes, it was a 1/4 cup and a little above it. Add the salt. Place the pot on the cooker or stove top. I will have the pot changed to a bigger one. This was the pot I used at first. Yes, already transferred to a bigger pot. At this point, the water had dried up. Leave it to cool. Have a look. The next thing is to get our blender. Put everything into the blender and blend. Because it does not have enough juice, I'm going to add water gradually as I blend. I will avoid the bones as much as I can. I will repeat the process until everything is all blended. I will repeat the process until everything is totally blended. Here is what we have after the whole blending process. I will line this container with parchment paper. This goes into the freezer. I will go ahead and put them into different containers and store in different volumes and sizes to suit my different cooking needs. Now, let me tell you something. When you talk about experiments in the kitchen, count me in. So here are the seasoning pastes to be stored in the freezer in different containers. And I thought, why can't I convert this paste to powder and then to bars and cubes? So keep watching to see the end result, I mean the final product. These ones go into the air fryer where I just bake a little to make it cake and form some bars. Here, I strive to create delicious and nutritious meals that not only taste incredible but also great for your overall health and well-being. I work to create exciting and innovative recipes that are easy to follow, even for those who may be new to cooking entirely. I'm thrilled to have you here today. Don't mind the color or look. You can decide not to bake and put directly in the dehydrator. I'm still going to show you the one I put directly in the dehydrator. These are the bars I will put in the dehydrator to dry out completely. So at this point, if I wanted to make them into cubes here, I will use my knife to cut through the bars to completely form nice cubes since they are not fully dried. Once completely dry or dehydrated, it will be difficult to make nice shapes from them. Now to the bonus: seasoning powder and seasoning cubes. As much as I like the paste, I will keep some and turn the rest into powder and cubes as I mentioned earlier. I decided to bring it out to thaw a bit and then turn it into cubes, into stock cubes. I brought it out a while ago. It is still frozen, but I'm going to find my way around it. I bring in my baking pan lined with parchment paper. Okay, here is me trying to double the lining. So I transfer some of the frozen paste onto it like so. Look at this water. If you want to avoid this water, you don't need to blend. You just need to chop with your food processor. Over here, I have my dehydrator. What I mean is, if you want to avoid this volume of water, you will not need to blend the ingredients with the blender as I did, because while blending I added water. So if you don't want this water at all, what you need to do is to use your food processor. Remove the bones and whatever may want to disturb the blade. Remove the bones and then use your food processor, okay, to form the paste. Food processor works a lot without water, but for the blender you need a liquid. You either need water or need your cooking oil so as to make the blades of the blender to move easily without any friction. Over here I have my dehydrator. I have my baking sheet to line it as well. I'm trying to make a hole, a circle in the middle because of this. When a little dehydration has occurred, I'll pour the remaining. I don't want to mess this up because cleaning can be difficult at times. Now I'm bringing out of the oven, I have this. Our experiment wants to go wrong, but I will not allow it. I will try to roll it into uniformly flattened bars, then cut some straight lines through it with my paring knife. You can have it in small round shapes like this. For the ones from the dehydrator, I put them in the blender, blend, then back to the dehydrator. They are all dried now, so I pour back into the blender for the final blending. And here is our seasoning powder. Pour in an airtight container for storage. If after blending there is the need to sieve, you can sieve and pour the shaft back into the blender cup and blend again. But I won't be sieving this because the blender did justice to it. Okay, this is just to show the seasoning cubes are possible to make at home. If you've enjoyed this experiment so far, kindly give this video a like by clicking the like button. Also, if this video has been helpful to you, clicking the subscribe button would mean a lot to me, as it gives me an indicator that I'm actually building an audience and also creating helpful content for them. Label appropriately, store and keep away from moisture. You will see that the blending was not done completely to a smooth texture. It's because I used my smoothie blender. Feel free to use a blender that can give you a smoother texture. If you've made it this far into the video, kudos to you. Now, if you are enjoying what you see, give it a thumbs up and show your like, and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to become a part of our incredible community. By doing that, you never miss out when I share another mouth-watering recipe or experiment in the kitchen. On this channel, I focus on healthy cooking, kitchen tips, and kitchen hacks. And guess what? If you are on the hunt for the best spice mix you can whip up right at home, take a look at that video on your screen right now. It's a treasure trove of spice secrets waiting for you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you are as excited as I am to try out these sensational seasoning recipes. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and let's cook up a sumptuous meal with them together. Until next time, happy cooking. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.